guys, my name is Hidanshu Kapoor. I am your instructor. Today I start with a new series named AWS. Okay, today we start with the new AWS video series. Okay, so let's start the first lecture, guys. So in this lecture, we talk about the basics of AWS. Okay, let's start with introduction to AWS. Okay, so in this case, if I look on next, so what is AWS? We need to first cover. So if you're talking about the AWS, so AWS is what it's a kind of, again, it's a kind of cloud platform. Okay, like we already covering Azure also, so you can say that in Azure also is also a cloud platform. Okay, like the same, AWS is also a cloud platform. Now Azure is you can say that if you're talking about the Azure, so Azure is from Microsoft and AWS is from Amazon Web Services. Okay, fine. So the company name Amazon, who provides one platform name is AWS, or in short, or in long full form is Amazon Web Services. Okay, now it provides you some features, or it offers you some features, like number one is it's flexible, reliable, scalable, easy to use, cost effective. So if you're talking about the flexible means they provide you high availability, they provide you redundant links. Okay, reliable means it's very easy, okay, to manage the things. Scalable means you can increase or decrease the options. Like imagine if I create one storage account, if I want to decrease my storage account, okay, if I want to increase my storage account, I want to delete or recreate virtual machines, so we can go for that. Easy to use, a very simple platform. Okay, a very simple portal is there. Okay, with the help of that portal, we are able to use everything, able to manage everything. Now, cost effective means that it's not that much expensive. Everybody is able to use AWS. You can say that. Okay. You can say that number one thing, and the very biggest thing is that if you're talking about the Azure and AWS, in Azure we can got only 30 days trial version, okay, but in AWS they gives you 12 months, they gives you 1 year trial version also. So that's why it's cost effective. There is no cost in that case. Okay, so AWS platform is developed with a combination of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. The same thing if you're talking about the cloud computing. So over there we have three cloud. You can say that cloud provides you three services. Number one is IaaS, is known as infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, and software as a services. So if we're talking about the infrastructure, if I want storage, if I want virtual machines, if I want databases, then we can go infrastructure as a services. Okay. If I want operating systems, if I want application platforms, like I want to develop application on Java, so I need Java platform, I need .NET platform, I need Python, okay, to develop the application. So we can go for PaaS, platform as a services. Now last one we have a software as a services. Now what kind of softwares you want? You want database, you want SAP, okay. So these are the software provided by the Amazon Web Services. Which you can say that every cloud platform work these kind of model: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Either you can go for my Azure, and then you can go for AWS. So any cloud platform you have, okay, it provides you these functionalities: infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, and software as a services. Now next, what services AWS provides you? So it starts with storage, database, analytics, networking, mobile development tools, enterprise applications like storage. So if you want storage, we want storage accounts. Okay, you want to save some data, you can go for storage. You want to save some huge amount of data. AWS provide you database. If you want to analytics the data, like imagine analytics over there means like imagine that I have large amount of data. I want to filter my data, like in Noki.com too. Like imagine I have one position, so I have thousands of applicants who apply the particular position. So how Noki.com filtered the data with the help of data analytics. So they deal with data analytics also. So if you work cloud platform in data analytics, then you can use AWS services also. Networking, in networking you can create VNets, you can create virtual networks like this. In mobile applications, you can develop mobile applications also. Okay, you can manage mobile phones also with the help of AWS services. Development tools, they provide development tools like Java, .NET, Python. They gives you all those platforms to develop the applications, to develop the softwares. Okay, enterprise applications, a large amount of application like SAP. If in your network you want SAP applications, so AWS provide those SAP application services. Okay, remember one thing also, AWS always go with pay as you go, means the hourly basis, you can say that. Okay, how much resources you are using, that much amount of bill you can pay. Okay, like if you imagine that if I have one virtual machine, and that virtual machine works only in 5 hours a day. Okay, so I pay only for 5 hours, I'm not paying for full day. Okay, like this. So say pay as you go pricing model, work with pay as you go pricing model. Now next, if you're talking about the compute services, in compute, AWS gives you so many things like EC2, and other things you have like Light Sail, Elastic, Beanstalk, EKS, AWS, Lambda. So these are some services. Like if you're talking about the EC2, so EC2 is a kind of virtual machine, you can say that. Okay, it's a kind of virtual machine. Light Sail is a kind of a development tool, you can say that. If you want to deploy storage, if you want to manage storage, networking, so you can use Light Sail. Elastic Beanstalk is also a tool. It's an automated development tool. You can say that if you want to, if you want to deploy, if you want to use automation, then you can use Beanstalk. Okay, EKS is also a tool, allows you to installation. Without installation, you can deploy something in your environment. Without installation, you can deploy application. So we can use EKS. Lambda also is a tool. Okay, the services, you can say that's our tools, the services in AWS. Okay, so you can say that so many things are there. Okay, if you want to execute some functions, if you want to execute some programs, you can use Lambda. So these are some tools about compute services. Now storage services also we have tools: Amazon Glacier, EBS, Storage Gateway. Okay, these are some. So if you talk about storage, so if you want to take backup of your storage, so you can use Glacier. Okay, it's for archiving and backup. Okay, if you want to use Amazon EBS, okay, so EBS, you can say that it provides you block level storage to EC2 machines. Okay, through EBS you can provide the block level storage to on EC2 virtual machines, you can say that. Storage gateway, connecting your on-premises application with cloud. Okay, this is the thing we have. So many things are there. Okay, it's a compute services. If I click on another slide, you can see that we have a security services also. So many security services are there. One is IAM. IAM means identity and access management. With the help of this, we can assign permissions. We can assign you can say that permissions to manage users. Like imagine if I have some users. I want that okay, user one is able to manage my security part. User two is manage the compute part. So I give assign some policies and some permissions, you can say that. Inspector is also one of the very good security services. It protect your virtual machines. Okay, certificate manager is also a very good. With the help of certificate manager, we can provide SSL certificates to our domains. Okay, to our DNS. Okay, where we have a web application firewall. WAF is also a very good. With the help of this, we can provide the firewall. We can provide the firewall security to our web applications. Okay, cloud directory. Okay, so this is also it's like imagine like we have in Azure we have a Azure Active Directory. So over there also we have a cloud directory. Okay, we can manage, you can see the data, manage directories over there with the help of cloud directory. Okay, key management services, KMS is also a very good security feature. It provides you to create and control the encryption keys. If you want to create an encryption key, you can provide encryption to any particular data, so you can use KMS. Okay, organizations, you can create group of AWS accounts, okay, using these services to manage security. Okay, so we can with the help of organization we can create multiple AWS accounts, okay, to manage security. Shield is also a very good feature. With the help of Shield, we can stop DDoS attacks. Okay, it's a kind of safeguard, you can say that. We can with the help of Shield we can save our server resources in secure in AWS. Okay, we have a guard duty. Guard duty is also very good. It protects your AWS accounts. You can say that it divides your workload. Okay. Messi is also a very good data visibility security services, which helps classify and protect your sensitive critical content. So like if you have a very critical data, so we can use MACIE, Massy Security Services. Okay, so these are some security services. So we need to cover one by one in my upcoming lectures deeply. Also, today I just give you the overview only. Now next we have a database services. So database services we have number one is RDS, Amazon RDS. It's a very good database services. With the help of this, I am able to manage my database. Okay, we have a DynamoDB. If you have a DynamoDB, so we can use Amazon DynamoDB services. It works. With the help of these services, we are able to manage DynamoDB or NoSQL database also. We can use Elastic Cache also. This is also very good services. It is used to easy deploy, operate and scale in memory cache in the cloud. Okay, so if I want to manage cache memory, so we can use Elastic Cache. Okay, Neptune is a fast and reliable scalable graph database services. It's also a database services to manage databases. Okay, Redshift also a very good services. Like if you have any queries, if you have any if in your network we have so many queries are running, so we need to manage with the help of this Redshift, we can manage database queries also. Okay, now in analytics, you know that I already told you. Okay, with the help of analytics, we can manage data analytics, computer science. Okay, it works on this also. Okay, so we have 7 services in analytics also. Now next we have a management services. So management services, I have 9 management services provided by AWS. Start with CloudWatch. Okay, Cloud Formation, CloudTrail, OPS Works, Config, Service Catalog, AWS Auto Scaling, System Manager, Management Services. Okay, so these are some management services. Okay, so CloudWatch is manages your CPU utilization. Okay, in your virtual machines. Cloud Formation is used to manage templates. If you want to create some templates. Okay, you want to manage infrastructure, we can go for Cloud Formation. CloudTrail is also used to auditing your AWS resources. Like auditing means if I have some error, any warning is there in any services, so we can use CloudTrail. Okay, OPS Works allows you to deploy and automate some AWS environment. So if you want to deploy something, if you want to automate automation, so we can use OPS Works. Okay, so these are very good services are running in AWS. Okay, services catalog is used to authorize the AWS services. It is used to authorize the AWS services. Okay, in your large enterprise network. You can say that system manager is used to manage your identify the issues in the services, manage your resources properly. But these are the things we have. Okay, and lots more services provided by the AWS. So these are some basic examples I mentioned. I mentioned over there. Okay, so instead of this, we have so many services more. Okay, now next we have, so these are the, you can say that these are some security services, compute services, database services and management services. These are some services we have. Okay, to manage or we can use in AWS services. Okay, so that's it for the introduction part, guys. Now we'll see how we can create, we can say that AWS account. If you want to create AWS account for free, so how we can create it? Okay, for this this is sweet, guys. I just connect my laptop to the internet. Okay, so now we see how we can create AWS account. So I write over there AWS login, simple. Click on that. Okay, you need to open this aws.amazon.com. This is the website. Okay, through which I can create a free a free account, AWS free account. Okay, so over there we have 2 types: root user and IAM user. Okay, so the root user is the owner who is able to manage all the stuffs. Okay, IAM is a user who can give the rights. Okay, like imagine I have one user in my network, so I'll give him rights. Okay, then you're able to manage my management services, or you're able to manage my EC2 services, like this. Okay, so right now if we create a root user, so I need to give the IP address, or if you don't have a login account, so we need to create a new AWS account. So click on create a new AWS account, click on that. Okay, so it automatically goes to AWS sign up. Okay, like this. So I need to define my username, means my email address, but whatever email address you have, you need to go for there. I need to give the password over there. Okay, and you need to give the confirm password. After that, you need to give the account name. Okay, so imagine that I give over there like this. Okay, now click on continue. Now after this, you can see that this account is exist. So you need to give the account name, and you can see that over there they're showing you AWS account includes 12 months of free trial access. Okay, so they gives you 12-month free trial access. Okay, so that's a very good thing. So I need to make another. Okay, I need to go for another email address. Just wait, guys. I just make one email address. Okay, so I just mentioned my another email address. Okay, so after that, when you give email address, passwords, and account names, then they ask you professional and personal. Okay, so we can choose personal over there. Okay, the full name is Deepak, and you need to give the phone number over there. Okay, and you need to give the United States over there. You just go for India, so we'll just choose over there India. Okay, I need to give the address, city, and postal number, and after that you can click on accept. Okay, and after that when you click on create and continue over there, they ask you like I'll choose over there like this. Okay, and I just simple this and create account and continue. When I click on create account, okay, this, okay, what I need to set, okay, I need to give the postal code over there. So okay, I need to get the postal code. Now create account and continue. So you can see that they ask you credit card and debit card. So it's a very good thing. Like if you're talking about the Azure, so in Azure they gives you they ask you only credit card. But if you're talking about the Amazon Web Services, they ask you debit card as well. So if you have a debit card, so you can easily create the account. Okay, so like this, you need to give the debit card number and everything, and then click on verify and add. So after this information, okay, your account is successfully created. So it's a very simple way to create the account. Okay, so as you can see that okay, so I already created the account, so I'm not giving any debit card, credit card number over there. So I already created my account. So you can say that like this, you can create the account in AWS. Okay, and the best thing is that they gives you 12 months free account. Okay, fine. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you're able to understand the video. Okay, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more AWS videos. Please share the video with your friends also. Thank you for watching, guys.